Hello, Agreement Bharat, myself Abhay from Agile Testing Alliance and organizing team of a AI Test Fest. I welcome you both as our esteemed speaker for AI Test Fest, which is happening on 22nd March as at Nagaro Gurgaon Hive. So, without any delay, I will request both of you to introduce yourself so that we will keep this conversation going on.
Sure, thanks, Abhay. I can start first. So I have a total of 14 plus years of experience in QA. During this time frame, I have worked in like different domains related to banking as well as the automotive domain. Also, the expertise that I have got during this time is related to mobile testing, UI testing, API testing, and exploring new tools and technologies that are available in market so that we can deliver the best out of the best for our customers. And also, as we all know today, in these days the hype is all about AI. So we are currently exploring how we can have AI to solve out all our issues in our day to day activities that are involved in testing. So with that, hand it over to Bharat.
So hi, I'm Bharat, and having around 14 plus years of experience in software testing in IT industry, and working with Nagaro for almost 3 years. So if I talk about the types of testing or there I have worked actually in multiple domains, be it banking, telecom, and many. And if I talk about terms of testing, I worked upon like functional or automation, mobile API, and other types of testing as well. So if I talk about apart from this, keeps on exploring new technologies, and with the upcoming or ongoing technologies, we try to provide the best optimum solution which can help actually the testing world. Yeah, that's all about the brief introduction.
Thank you so much, Agreement Bharat, for the brief introduction. That's really nice. You both come with a very vast experience and vast domain knowledge as well as the testing experience you have got. That is really helping. Okay, I would like to request you to put some light on your topic which you are going to present and why people should attend it, what is different from other speakers, and how it is aligned with our theme like AI Test Fest and how it will help people who is going to attend it and what would be the takeoff from this particular session.
Sure, Abhay. So I can start. So first of all, thanks for inviting us to this Tech Fest. Uh, the problem statement that we will be talking about in this in our particular session would be relatable to most of the automation engineers. So most of us get this particular issue that we are spending a lot of time doing the analysis of the failures that we get in automation testing. Lot of time is being spent on those activities, and client is always concerned about it, because if you are spending a lot of time during your sprint for all those analysis, you will not be able to spend that much of time on the new expansion word or anything new features that are coming into picture. So our problem statement and solution are aligned to this particular topic, how we can make it simpler using GenAI. I will now pass it on to Bharat, who can put some light on how we are doing it from the solution wise.
Yeah, thank you, Akram. So, as Akram mentioned that in journal testing trend or in testing efforts, we put a lot of efforts in analyzing the automation failures. So as Akram again mentioned that it's a concern from client as well. So in there, we are using AI in our solution, which can actually help. us to reduce that effort which we are spending every sprint. So with the help of AI, we have actually reduced that effort with a very considerable amount. So this is the USP of our solution, or we can say this is the most important thing, that whatever we are spending in terms of AI, we are getting a good return also on that investment. So yeah, this is all about our solution and the problem statement.
Okay.
What do you?
Yeah. Thank you so much for the brief introduction of your topic, and it looks very interesting, and we will attend it. So basically, I want to ask one more thing. Like, this is the AI era. Previously, it was a blockchain era, RPA era, everything. So once new era comes, everyone just start running behind it. AI सीखना है, blockchain, and RPA. So how do you see? Means this as a conference organizer, I should not say this, but I find AI is just a buzzword. It will stay some years in the market, then something new will come up, and we will start running behind it. Every company will start running behind it. So, how do you see the future, and how it will impact the market and individual? Till now, people say that it will take out job, eat out job, but some greatest speakers also say no, it will not take out the job. It will take out the job who don't know the AI. If you know the AI, then you will be relevant in the market. So how do you see this situation?
All right. So, Abhay, first of all, that's my perspective. Like the industry that we are in, we should always be looking in like what is new that is coming. How can prove on the different activities that we are currently doing? How can we optimize it? How can we improve the efficiency? How can we reduce the time? So this is something that we are always looking forward to it. And if any tool technology can solve this thing, we are definitely in to explore it. And AI comes on the similar lines. Coming to my next point, yes, as most of us in different sessions have mentioned, it is not going to take our jobs. In case we are ready to learn it, in case we are ready to utilize it wherever possible. Like in day-to-day activities, we utilize AI, not just, we cannot fully rely on it, but at least we should know how to utilize it. How can we do things faster by utilizing AI. So that is where we are also exploring like whatever activities that we are doing on day-to-day basis. Can we do it using AI? Can we have some integration done with AI so that it can take care of some part of it and help us in reducing the time that is spent? So yeah, that is my perspective.
Nice to know it, and it was very well articulated answer. And Bharat, what do you say? What's your take on this?
So, my thoughts are also aligned with Agrim. So, just to add what Agrim mentioned, I'll say that we are in the industry of software, right? We keeps on updating ourselves. So, I'll just try to clarify about the job part with the one example. So, do you remember there is a mobile like 3310? We used to call it like Nokia 3310, something like that. But if I go back in past, so over a period of 10 years, Nokia was not anywhere in the market because they have not upgraded themselves as per the market standards, right? So as we are in the software industry, we have to keep ourselves updated as per the market standards, right? Be it AI. And to your point, what you mentioned that today's AI, it's a buzzword. It can be a buzzword also. There may be something which might come in future, which is more, I'll say, advanced as compared to AI, right? So we should be more adaptable. We should be open for all those things so that the ultimate goal of ours is to provide the optimum and the best solution to our clients.
Yeah.
That thing we can achieve with all those things.
Okay, that means Uh, if you are not aligning yourself with the market and technology, you will be obsolete, just like Nokia and BlackBerry. And we should always have a character of adapting the things so that we will get going in the market and make ourselves relevant. That's nice. It was a really nice conversation on tech. Now we are going little bit ahead from the tech. So how do you guys spend your free time, weekends and break time? Means what all are your hobbies? What you like to do except exploring the new technologies and tech arena?
Thanks for asking that, Abhay. So, in addition to exploring different tools and technologies in the IT world, I also like to spend time running in marathons, swimming, cycling. So all those activities I keep on doing, in my free time. So that is something that I like to do in addition to this.
Like Nagaro CEO also says, not only work, do some fun and do these activities. That's why maybe Nagaro is still allowing everyone to work from anywhere, rather than other companies are asking to come office 5 days, 3 days, 4 days in a week. So Bharat, what is your interest areas?
If I talk about interest area, taking care of my physical health is one of the most primary thing in my day-to-day routine. Sometimes I'll say I lag in that part, but by that time I always keep trying means to keep myself on track in these terms. Apart from it, I love to with my kid. I'm having a son of around 5 years, so I love to play like swimming, cricket, and sometimes horse riding also. When
Bring him in the contacts. We will meet him. Bring your son to.
you definitely he will definitely get bored. I'll say.
No, no, I will not get bored. Many people are there, many activities will be there. So, as you both are health enthusiasts, like Agrim runs marathons and keep himself healthy, even you try to keep yourself healthy. So, I think you both should talk at least 30 seconds on this work-life balance and keeping yourself healthy. I think there should be one slide in your presentation regarding it. Uh, Other than technical topics, I expect that?
And we will also do how we can utilize AI in the same.
Yes, sure, sure. Because I also say that everything is in real life. People say, what is testing to me? I say everything is testing. If you are just looking at your phone and see it from a tester के नजरिए से देखो ना स्टोरी 24 आवर्स में ही जा रही है क्या पोस्ट हो रही है क्या पेज रेंडर टाइम कितना है 3 सेकंड से ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए सो टेस्टर इज नॉट लाइक कि आप मतलब डेवलपमेंट के लिए मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि यू नीड टू रीड द लैंग्वेजेस एंड एवरीथिंग but for testing, I think you should be as much natural you are as good tester you are. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Exactly.
Finding the gaps in a constructive way is all about testing. So be it in life, be it in professional, be it anywhere.
So thank you so much, Agreem and Bharat, for this very nice interview. And really sorry it's too late for you guys, but we had to do it. And all the very best for your talk at AI Test Fest, which is happening on 22nd March at Nagaro Gurgaon Hype. And thank you from the complete organizing team of AI Test Fest and Agile Testing Alliance. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Abhay, for the time.
Thank you, Appa.